This is a perfect demonstration of the Russian spirit. One assault trooper cheerfully rode a motorcycle towards Ukrainian positions. But after the first shot, he suddenly remembered he had left the iron on and quickly speed back. Courtesy of the Ukrainian Black Swan unit. One of the roads of death for the invaders. The corpses of dead Russians lie on the roadsides. The crew of this Russian tank escaped with a slight concussion and fear, but this is not certain. First, the tank hit a mine while driving. Putin's main wallet is in big trouble. The Financial Times, citing sources inside Gazprom, reports that for the first time in almost 25 years, the company has become unprofitable. According to the publication, the main reason was war and sanctions, which led to a drop in export volumes. According to the source, the 2020 level, according to the most optimistic forecasts, will be restored no earlier than 2035. Annihilated completely. The enemy infantry took cover, but this shelter became their grave, thanks to Ukrainian FPV drone in Kharkiv region. The Russian court sentenced streamer Yoko Bovich to 5.5 years in prison in the case of fakes about the Russian army for talking about Bucha on one of the broadcasts. Anna Bazhutova, the streamer's real name, is accused of talking about Russian occupiers on Twitch in early April 2022 and about the Russian war crimes in Bucha. Bazhutova has been in pre-trial detention since August 2023. A single Russian tank crossed the state border with Ukraine. It drove a few kilometers, hit a mine, turned around, and fell victim to pilots from the Achilles Strike Drones Battalion of the 92nd Separate Assault Brigade. Putin's war economy is heading towards another conflict. We must be ready for war by 2029. Minister of Defense of Germany, Boris Pistorius. We must be aware that a Russian victory would cost us all more in the end than our support for Ukraine today, he said.
Aber es wird auch darüber hinaus unabweisbare Bedarfe geben. Jeder Euro zählt, meine Damen und Herren. Uns muss klar sein, ein russischer Sieg käme uns alle teurer am Ende als unsere Unterstützung für die Ukraine heute. Und gleichzeitig, das versteht sich von selbst, dürfen wir unsere eigene Verteidigungs- und Einsatzbereitschaft nicht vernachlässigen. Putins Kriegswirtschaft arbeitet auf einen weiteren Konflikt zu. Wir müssen bis 2029 kriegstüchtig sein. Wir müssen Abschreckung leisten, um zu verhindern, dass es zum Äußersten kommt. 3 Themen sind dabei zentral: Personal, Material und Finanzen.
An MP from Russia's ruling party, United Russia, suggested killing those who don't want to see or love us. He meant those who criticize authorities in Russia. Stalin's times are back in Russia.
Мы живем непростое время, и, как Михаил говорил, и мы говорим, и наш президент, только делами будем доказывать. И, прошу прощения за слово, убивать тех, кто нас не хочет видеть или любить.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.